Your total wireless phone line is likely deactivated due to a few common reasons. The most frequent cause is non-payment. If your bill isn't paid, especially after 30 days, your service will be cut off. Other reasons include an expired autopay plan. Service stops when auto renewal fails. A damaged or stolen SIM card prevents proper connection. You might also face deactivation from a request to port your number to another carrier. In rarer cases, network incompatibilities or violations of Total Wireless's policies can lead to deactivation. If you suspect fraud, contact customer support immediately. Reactivating your Total Wireless phone involves a few key steps. First, check your account status using the app or website to determine the deactivation reason. If it's due to non-payment, pay the outstanding balance through the app, website, or by contacting support. Payment amounts vary, but full balance is often required for immediate reactivation. If the SIM card is the issue, request a replacement. They typically ship within 3 to 7 days, with activation codes sent via SMS or email. After resolving the issue, service should restore automatically. Confirm this by calling 228 for Verizon network updates. Ensure your account is in good standing with no significant outstanding fees. If issues persist, contact customer support.